Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap where Radhakishan Damani has acquired 1 crore 6,17,918 shares during the last quarter. His stake in the company has now gone up to 4.73% from 1.30% at the end of the previous quarter. Now friends, the link to our free Telegram group is present in the description of the video. If you want to go ahead and join our group, please go ahead and click on the link and you would be automatically joined. This is a forum where you can go ahead and also ask us questions, and the community so formed can help enrich our investing skills. Also friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is India Cements Limited, which is available at rupees 88.40 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is INDIACEM. Now India Cements Limited is a holding company which is engaged in the manufacture and sale of cement and clinker. It operates through the following brands, which are Sankar Superpower, Coromandel King and Rasi Gold. The company was founded in 1946 and is headquartered in Chennai, India. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company appreciated considerably towards the first few months of the year, but since then has been a laggard. Of late, however, it has been trying a recovery. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 2,739.49 crores. The EPS of 2.93 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 30.17, which is slightly cheaper when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 40.10. The price to book ratio of 0.52 is also on the cheaper side. The company has a debt to equity of 0.5851, whereas the dividend yield stands at 0.90%. The promoter holding is a low figure at 28.30%, of which 27.22% is pledged. Now friends, we have an upcoming listing of Chennai Super Kings, which is a group company, and hence this stock could be in the focus over the next many months. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.